Hey, what is up, Slime Pack Nation? Listen, a company hit me up by the name of Shine Armor, and they wanted me to do a review on one of their products, which is the ceramic spray. For those of you that know, and even if you don't know, as you can see, my car is fully wrapped. I love to do reviews on products that are safe for a wrapped vehicle because, you know, nowadays everybody are getting their car wrapped. So let's jump into this. First, we're going to start with box opening. As you can see, it already comes with the microfiber cloths, and right up under it, here is the product. So I'm going to apply the spray over my hood. My hood is a matte black hood. So we're going to see how much shine it's going to give. So I got the product on my hood. On the back of the directions, it said let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes and buff it out. One thing about this bottle, if y'all do not pay attention, as you can see on the side, it has a little thing where you can twist it to open. If you got to have it directly on open for the spray to come out. If it's twisted any other way, the spray will not come out. So don't try to break it and take it off. As y'all can see, my hood is shiny. I love it. I am smiling right now. I am very happy. I am very pleased with it. But we have to do one more test. On this clip, this is the next day. I poured water on my hood to see how much the water would beam off, and here's the results. So as y'all can see from my video, the ceramic spray does not lie. It is Shine Armor. Be sure to click the link down below in the description to receive 20% off.